There's so much hype in the crypto world right now, and today we're gonna have a second video talking about the Trump coin over on Solana, whether you should buy it or not, and in my opinion. So turn the notification bell on and stick up to tonight's video in about 5 or 6 hours after the release of this video. But as of right now, we jump straight to the laptop and we got Orbiter to talk, we got Phantom Wallet airdrop to talk, we got so many things. So the first thing is the social airdrop, as we see over here, which we have finished way a couple of days ago. Snapshot has been taken. Let me know your total allocation down below and your level. We have done it. We did do it well, and we were in time to do it. It is trading at 50 cents right now, but this is not the important thing. The important thing is that there are airdrops that are free to go and earn, which we are very important, which we haven't talked about it yet. And we have, first of all, is the light mining airdrop. This is a simple 24 hours tap and go and earn points. So the link will be the first one down below. We then have a few missions like follow them on Twitter, which you can simply click over here to go. You will go to their page, you will follow them right here, you will go back, click on verify, and you collect the points. So simple as that. So make sure to join. They're all free to earn. Everything is free to earn. We got daily tasks as well, like and retweet. We got the comments. We got the retweet of this. So all you gotta do is simply do this simple quest over here. So like, comment, and retweet potentially on the same airdrop, which it is super easy. So let's go and do nice. Go and put it like this, and then we go and retweet it, and we do all of the activity all in one, and then we go verify, and verify. We got our point. So definitely make sure to go and do it. It is very important for you to go and do this quest, and it is simply free. The next one, which it is similar to this one, which is a free airdrop again, we have the Gaia airdrop right here, which we see here that I have connected myself. And all you gotta do is simply connect Telegram, connect Twitter, connect Discord, all free. Join Twitter, join Telegram, another free airdrop. So make sure to go and participate. They have $3 million in backing, this one, so really nice to see. And make sure to go and do all of these points, 300, 400, 500, etc. And it is the same like this one. We talked about this already. This is the unique airdrop, which it is kind of the same. All three of them are like every 24 hours, come here, tap, and do your quest, and they are all free. And we're farming all three of them. Absolutely, yes. As we also see on my Patreon page, the link will be down below. Come and join. It is free to go and join the Patreon, or if you wish to support a little bit extra, it's $4.99 a month, and you also find all the tutorials very soon on all of this airdrop. You have a list of 150 plus airdrop to go and earn right now. That is only for the dedicated Patreon members, but these are very important airdrops to go and do, as well as Plaza Finance. Now, Plaza has had an update yesterday, which you probably didn't know about, but they have taken out a few of my referrals. I noticed a drop in the number. They are eliminating and deleting people that enter the app and take no action. So make sure to go and take your daily transaction, your daily actions over on the Plaza ecosystem to be eligible for this airdrop. If you are new to it, if you didn't know, all you gotta do through the link down below, sign up, get your test tokens, and then go over here to earn and sell. Sell and earn your token. Do this transaction on earn and leverage, sell and buy. You get 4 points, 5 points per transaction. You scale through the leaderboard. As you see over here, you also have, if you go to points and rewards, go down, you have a few, NFTs to go and claim, and I did just that. I'm level 6. Let me know your level, but definitely very important. Go and be active with it, otherwise you will be eliminated. So do the transaction on a daily basis. And another one, which is super nice, is Mango. Mango testnet is one of the most hyped up testnet out there as of right now. Link will be down below. And another one, you got task, Mango Swap, Mango Bridge, etc. On a daily basis, do your points, ping decks, come to my Patreon. I remind you on a daily basis to go and do this. Mango Swap, Mango Bridge, all of this, very simple. Click over here, you will be directed to the page. You get the test token as soon as you sign up, which it is really nice and absolutely easy to go and do. And simply go and do it here. So submit, do this, click on it, submit, and you're good to go. So this is how you do it, synchronizing, submit Mango Ethereum, as we see over here, submission, please wait for review. Over here, go to the desk and you do all of the transaction. Over here, go to the task. You will be able to go and do all the task transaction on the new page that opens up. So definitely something to go and do, because all of this free airdrop, there is no point on just leaving it there and not earning it, which I don't see the point of it. Next up, we also have the Orbiter Finance airdrop. Now, this is a long-awaited airdrop, and guess what? I'm eligible for it. I'm eligible. For once, I got an airdrop which I'm eligible. So let's go and check it out. And we got, first of all, the token circulation. Now there's 10 billion token. At circulation supply, at token generation event is 2.8 billion. The network supported Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Base. So, as you understand, if you want $1 per token, they need to launch at a $3 billion market cap, if I'm not mistaken. I don't think they need to reach 10 billion at launch price. The circulation supply will be this one. So let's say $3 billion market cap. The community is hating it, but there is the allocation. So let me know your allocation down below. Community is hating it, yet it is still a nice airdrop to go and receive. Here we got it. For myself, I got 6,000 points, so 6,330 points. I got 6,240 OBT on the EVM address rewards. I got 1,000 points, and then we got non-EVM address, which I don't know, but it is 86 points. NFT snapshot, as we see over here, it is going to be taken tomorrow, and these are one Ace Pilot NFT, Expert Pilots NFT, and the one that here, I don't think I'm holding it. I thought I was holding it, but apparently I don't have this one. But you can go and buy it, of course, in the secondary market if you want, but I'm not going to go and get it for myself. So this one is the airdrop allocation. I think we're able to go and claim it in 1 day, as we see over here. So token generation is tomorrow, yes, on the January 20th. January 20th is going to be the airdrop, so we are going to be able to claim it, and I will take you the video, of course, for it. Next up, we talked about Mango. There is the HQ airdrop is coming soon. If you've been farming it, which I haven't, go and connect your wallet to the link down below. Connect the wallet, click on the airdrop and confirm your wallet. It's gonna end in a few days. Go to the dashboard, click on onboarding challenges and complete all the tasks, which is going to end in 10 days. So you still got 10 days to go and sign up for this airdrop and to go and get the submit your wallet before it's too late. So you're still able to go and embark in this airdrop, as we see over here. Come over here, connect with your wallet. Let's go and connect, for example, with the MetaMask wallet over here. You connect the MetaMask wallet and you are good to go and create your account with MetaMask, which I do think it is going to be the best situation. We got the airdrop HQ wallet connection ending soon, so confirm your wallet now to be eligible for the upcoming airdrop. You have until the 24th of January, but all you gotta do, simply click your wallet. I understand that, you know, I'm not a US citizen, whatever, confirm the wallet, and we are good to go. So this one is confirmed, and then we can go to the airdrop page, to the dashboard over here, and go and do all of our transactions right here. So complete to unlock onboarding, complete the onboarding to unlock. Simply click over here. The objective are these 5. Follow, learn more, go and do it. Simple as that. Everything is literally, you know, spoon-fed to you. All you gotta do. And then you got this one, and then you got this one, and it is extremely easy to do it. So definitely go and do it, as it is a very easy to earn airdrop, and you still got approximately 10 days to go and do. Next up, we have the claiming of the SOL, or the Solana B Foundation airdrop. Link will be down below. Connect your wallet. I'm not eligible for it. I never even participate in this airdrop. So connect your wallet, pick whichever one you want, and go and claim your airdrop. Absolutely easy to go and do. The distribution for this one was 7% to the Solv point system season 1 participant, 0.25% for early adopters, which is a little bit small. Early adopters should receive more. 0.15 for the OKX Cryptopedia campaign eligibility participant. And as we see here, we got a 3-month lockup vesting for the top 1% wallet, so the whales are not going to be selling it. And you can find this one right here. This is where you can go. If you click on airdrop rules, you will be redirected to their Medium path, and you can go and read all the information that you need and want. Following up, we have the DYOR will be on January 29th. This is another airdrop which is going to come very, very soon. Just like the Binance token, GT, HSK, DYOR, which you do your own research token, is a utility token for their exchange. It is going to come, and people who have participated with their exchange, which I personally didn't, they will be able to go and claim this airdrop. So congratulations for you. Next up, we have the Phantom airdrop update. Now, this is whether or not it is coming. The community, as we see here, is hyped up. The community believes the token airdrop is coming. You know, everybody's believing on it. They have raised another 150 million, and they now bring themselves at a $3 billion valuation, with what we talked about, we're going to be talking about tonight of Donald Trump and the Trump token that has launched not even 24 hours ago. Solana is going to explode. Yes, Phantom is the place to be in trading. Yes. So I highly see that with this, raising money, $3 billion valuation, Phantom will release an airdrop. Now, it is going to be probably the biggest airdrop in history if they release it. Yes, so there might be some criteria in terms of like volume traded, more than 1,000, more than 10,000 in total. Like you have to have a criteria more than 100K, something just that came in and out of your Phantom wallet potentially, because otherwise if they go and give everything or to every community member that has a Phantom wallet account, people have multiple accounts in one, then it's gonna be pennies for everybody. So there will be a criteria, and yes, I do believe that the Phantom airdrop is going to come and it is going to be there. They are raising money for some reason. The community is loving it. Solana is the place for the airdrop, so it only makes sense for them to make an airdrop. Absolutely, yes. Following up, we also have the story guild protocol over here, which go and do it, become a member, go and check if you're eligible for a few things, as they are going to have an airdrop. I have no access. You needed some badges as we see over here, so make sure to go and check yours as well and go and do all of the action. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy today's video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you tonight for the Trump coin conversation, which is going to be a special video, 2 videos in one day for all of you. Ciao, guys.